Hello, and welcome to the annual meeting section session reporting process training. In this video, we will cover how to submit the open and invited section sessions for the annual meeting. I am Jamie Arca, Meeting Services Program Coordinator. Let's get started. The section chair will receive an email with the number of sessions the section has earned, along with a link on how to report the sessions for the annual meeting. The number of sessions will also include the council and business meeting slot. A 40-minute business meeting is required for each section. This is the email that the section chair will receive. If you do not get the email, you may want to check your spam folder. As you can see, this email is for the section on Environment and Technology, and they earned 4 session slots, which includes the council business meeting time slot. The deadline to submit this information is September 18th, 2013. We will click on this link to fill in the information for the section. Please know that this is an example only and that your information will be different. The first screen is where you log in. The information to log in is found in the email you received. Please be sure the email address matches and you use the correct unit code found in the email. For the section on Environment and Technology, the email address is jarca@asanet.org and the unit code is 131300. Once you click Submit, you will go to the main screen. This is the main screen. This will give an overview of what you have entered along with the information on the reception. Let's get started with entering session information. First, you will click on Update Business and Council Meeting button. This page is for the council and business meeting for your section. If your section is not having a council meeting, you can choose the roundtable or the other button. If you select the other button, you will need to type in what you are using this time for. Please note that the session will be 1 hour and the business meeting will be 40 minutes. Next, you will select if this is an open or invited session, and then click that you acknowledge that 40 minutes of this time is used for the business meeting. After that, you will then enter the session organizer information. You will then need to confirm that the session organizer is indeed a member of ASA. Current membership is required to be a session organizer. You may need to contact the session organizer to be sure they are a current member of ASA. You will now click on Next Session. On this screen, you will enter your session information for the section. First, choose if this is going to be an open or invited session. As a reminder, an open session means that it will be listed on the call for papers, and people can submit their papers to this session to be reviewed by the session organizer. If it is an invited session, it will not be listed on the call for papers, and the session organizer can submit their panel to Meeting Services. You will then enter the title of the session and the description. If you do not want to include a description, you can type NA. Then enter the information for the session organizer and confirm they are a current member of ASA, and click on Next Session. You will continue this process until you come to the reception page. On this page, you will select if your section is having a reception. You will then choose if it's an on-site or off-site reception. If your section is having an off-site reception, please provide the name of the venue and the address so that this can be listed in the program book. Next, you will choose if you're having a joint reception. If you are having a joint reception, please include the names of the section that will be joining you. Once this is done, click on Main Menu. This takes you back to the main menu where you can review what you have entered. If you need to make changes, you can click on Update Slot, make your changes, and then click on Main Menu. Once you have entered all of the information, you can click on Email Yourself Section Information. You will receive an email for your records of the information you entered. Thank you for watching this short training video. Remember to mark your calendars with the important dates listed here. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact Meeting Services at meetings@asanet.org or call 202-383-9005 extension 305.